Hello everybody, it's Ethany and today I'm going to be tarot journaling the Magician. I kind of jumped a little bit back and forth, but now I'm going to go in order. So we had our fall themed Justice, and then I did the full, which was black and white, and now I'm going to do open to a new page. You can hear Thor in the background there. Clip it down just so that it is easier. I will move it so that I need to clip this down too. Let us get another little clip, and I'm going to work on the Magician. I have a few things. I'm using pretty much the same sort of gear that I normally do. I'm using my Bad Bitches Tarot, the Fool from that. I'm using a lot of crafts supplies that I have at home, and I'm going to be using the Fomemo instant printer, which I love because I was able to go on Canva. I created some images and text for the Magician, and now I can print it off. I'm actually going to be using this semi-transparent paper today, so that it'll go over the designs. The theme for this one is spooky. I love this card very, very much. She reminds me, well, I want to wear that outfit all day, every day. But I wanted her to look like a very modern witch, so we're going to do it a little bit ooky spooky Addams Family kind of thing, even though it is now December. You know, I'm going to use washi tape. This is from the Michaels Halloween collection. I've got stickers from the Pipsticks Halloween 31 Days of Halloween. This is from Lace and Whimsy. I've got a few Lace and Whimsy things out. Some of their sticker packs I'm going to go through. Lace and Whimsy. I've got some beautiful stuff here, so that's 100% that witch. That's probably going to go in there. I've got some of the stickers from Michaels. This is a cute little, it's got a bunch of stuff like stickers and all sorts. I'm using label pack stickers as well, and a bunch of other stuff. So let's get to it, and I hope you enjoy.